Hello, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this new video I'm going to show you how you can configure a router without any wire. So let's start the video. So first of all we need a router, power. So now we will see whether the router has connected or not. So this is the router which we will connect without any wire. First of all we need to connect it with our laptop. So we need to give a security code which is behind the router. So we'll see the router and we'll connect it with this security code. So now we have to click next. So the router has successfully connected. So now we have to open a browser. So we'll open Firefox and then we'll click 192.168.0.1. So from here we need to give a password, login password. So we'll give a password and then we need to confirm this password. Then we need to click start. So from here we have login in this router and now we'll set up it. We can go quick setup. So we'll click next. So now from here we need to select a router mode. So we are using wireless connection. So we'll select WISP. Now we have to click next. From here we need to set dynamic IP. Then we need to click next. So from here it will show which routers are available to connect with this router wireless. So we'll connect this router and we have to select connect. So you have to give the main router password here. So let's give the password. So now the wireless router we are configuring, this router we have to give a SSID and password. So we'll give the SSID as we want and a password for connecting the devices. Now from here we need to click next. Now we'll click finish. So the router is rebooting and after the reboot it will finish the setup and it will ready to connect with the devices. So we have successfully finished configuring the router without any wire. So as you can see the router is rebooting. So if you wait for some time you will see every light will turn blue. So as you can see the light is turning blue. So it is providing internet without any wire. Now we'll test the router whether it is providing internet or not. So if it go to fast.com it will show us the speed of this router. So as you can see it is providing the internet. If we go google.com, let's see. So it is providing the network. So as you can see it is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.